Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite baby girl here, IAMJESSFECHI, and I welcome you to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to revamp and style your hair. That is the hair that we're going to be working with. As you can see, I'm already combing it out, and I'm using those brush to brush out the hair to make sure it's tangle free. Then I'm going to be using this shampoo. The water that you're supposed to use for this revamping of hair is warm water, not hot, not cold, warm water. And as you can see, I've already poured in the shampoo and I turned it, and I'm going to be soaking the hair, putting the hair inside the water. Make sure you wash the hair very well. And how you're going to be washing it, as you can see I'm doing in this video, is just to use my hand and rub it, scrub it down, straight down. That's how you're going to be washing your hair. And you need to put shampoo on it, on the hair as well, in case if it's not so foamy like you want. And then just use your hand to brush down the hair. And for you to wash the inside, as you guys can see, I'm washing the closure, but I'm not how you're seeing it. I'm not washing it so hard. I'm just scrubbing it gently. But on the side, on the wig cap side, make sure you squeeze it very well, because by so doing, you're also washing the weft of the hair, like the beginning of the hair where you sewed it into the wig. That's where you're washing, so make sure you wash it very well. And as you guys can see, the water is already changing. Like, this hair is so dirty, and I've not worn it for a long time because of the way it's dirty. So I decided to revamp it, and I thought, why not share how you revamp your wigs? And that is what I am doing here right now. Just keep washing it, wash it very well. I actually washed this hair with shampoo twice, but I only showed one way that I washed it in this video because I didn't want the video to be too long. If you feel that your wig or your hair is so dirty more than mine, you can wash it up to 3 or 4 times. Make sure you wash it very well until it is clean, because that's the best way to revamp your hair or your wig, whichever. But because mine was not as dirty as that was why I just washed it twice, and I was okay with the result because it was clean. So here right now, this is the treatment I'm going to be using for this hair to revamp it, and I've already mixed them. First thing here is the Mediana Leave-In Conditioner Milk. That is the first ingredient here. Then this shampoo, the Smooth Organic Hydrating Conditioner. It's not the shampoo. And then this one, you guys know it, the Keratin Treatment Milk. Yes, those are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this hair, and I've already mixed it. Why it is so much is because it's not one hair that I'm washing. I'm just showing you guys only one. I washed like 5 hairs, so that was I had to mix that much. As you guys can see, the hair is already clean, ready to be revamped, and I'm going to be using this brush to comb it out because I am done washing, so I need to comb it out so that there will be no tangle. It will be tangle free. Why I use that conditioner as well for this treatment was because it has tea oil, and there is another secret ingredient that I added. Those ones I showed you guys, and this tea oil, if you have it, can revamp your hair very nicely. But I added another secret ingredient, which is why I'm a wig revamper, wig and hair revamper. I revamp wig and style wigs. As you guys can see, I have already started rubbing the treatment on the hair. Make sure you rub it in very well. Make sure it soaks the hair very well, because you need it to soak into the hair as much as you can get. Make sure every strands of the hair receives a part of that treatment. And after you are done, you can see the way I rolled it in. I rolled it out. The wig cap was outside with the closure, and the hairs was inside. Then I used this nylon bag. Guys, this was the greatest mistake of all time that I did. Please guys, don't ever use polythene bag or nylon bag like as you can see in this video. Just get a Ziploc bag. But because of my Ziploc bag is finished, I decided to use nylon to put in all the wigs. Next thing you're going to do now, as you can see, I already put hot water there, and then I soaked all the wigs into the nylon and into the bucket, and make sure it all enters, the hot water touches every one of it. And then I'm going to cover it up for 30 minutes, and after that you guys will see the outcome. Now I'm going to untie the nylon and bring out the wig. from the nylon so that I will wash it. This time around I'm using a cold water, but I would recommend you use warm water as well, or you can simply just use cold water, but not so cold. Let it be lukewarm. So I'm going to be washing this hair, wash it thoroughly to make sure every of the treatment leaves the hair. And I washed this hair for 3 good times before it was completely free. 3 good times, guys. So just make sure you wash it thoroughly, wash it very well. But I only show one part because of the same reason I didn't want this video to be too long. So guys, like I said, the reason why I told you not to use nylon is because I don't know how water got into all the wigs. It just found its way into all the nylon and they were all soaked with water. So the treatment did not work. Not like it didn't work, it worked, as you guys can see already, but I felt like it didn't work the way I would have loved it. So I am never trying it with nylon bag. I am buying my Ziploc bag. Now I am done washing the hair. As you guys can see, the hair is still very wet. Now on to styling. I'm going to be styling this hair and I will be using these rollers to style this hair. But for your information, guys, let me let you know that I actually didn't use these rollers. I changed it, but first I'll explain. And then I'll be using the Himalayan Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Working Leave-In Conditioner to rub on this hair. Yes guys, I'll be using it to rub all over this hair because that is what I'll be using to style this hair as well. So as I was saying, I did not use that rollers because it was not enough and I didn't want to include something else in it, so I just went for bending rollers, and you guys are going to see it in the later part of this video. I already mixed the leave-in conditioner with water, and that is what is in this bottle that I'm spraying on the hair right now. Guys, the way I rolled this hair, after I put the leave-in conditioner, I combed back the hair. I already sectioned it. The way I rolled this hair was exactly the same way I did it with the bending rollers, even though I didn't show that part, but exactly the way I rolled this hair was the way I did it with bending rollers. I had to loosen it and I was running somewhere, so I couldn't make that video, so I said I was going to do a voiceover to explain every bit of it. So exactly the way I rolled this hair, rolled it up, was the way I did it with the bending rollers as well. So guys, I'm just going to leave you guys to keep watching the video, and I will talk to you guys before the end of this video. So guys, the hair is completely dried. Now I dried this hair for 3 days, and like I told you guys, I had to change it and use bending rollers because that rollers was not enough, and I don't like taking chunks of hair when I'm styling it. I like to do it little by little so that it will give me exactly what I am looking for. So that was why I use rollers. As you guys can see, I am now loosening the rollers, and you guys are gonna see the colors that came with this hair. It was so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. As you guys can see, the colors is so tight and good. So this is how you can revamp and style your hair yourself at home. But if you still don't want to do it, you don't have the time to do it, you don't have the strength or time to do it, your baby girl is still here for you to help you and do your hair, revamp and style it at a fee though. At a fee. Just get in touch with me. I will talk business. So I'm just loosening the rollers right now. I'm just removing it. So as you guys can see, the curls are already taking shape. Like, it's giving me exactly what I want. And I'm loving it already. It's so nice. It's so nice. Oh, it's giving me what I want. And I always enjoy it when I revamp hairs and I style them and it gives me exactly what I am looking for. It's so nice. And I used 3 different sizes of rollers to style the hair because that is exactly how I wanted it. If you want to use one rollers, I used the biggest, the medium, and the small. So those are the 3 rollers that I use in styling this hair, as you guys can see. And this is the last strand of the hair, pulling it out already. And these are the rollers that I use, the biggest, the medium, and the small. I use those three to style the hair, and that's because that's exactly how I want it. So I'm going to be oiling this hair with this oil just to give it some shimmer, some shine, and to just a little bit of it, please, just a little bit of oil. Don't let it be too much. A little bit of it does the magic. And I'm just going to be rubbing it on every part of the hair. Make sure you rub it in. I rub it in very well. Gives me exactly what I'm looking at. As you guys can see, the shine is already coming out. Make sure it touches every strand of the hair. I use wax stick on the closure so that it will flatten out, and as you guys can see, it flatten out nicely. After doing that, I don't have hot comb, so I used dryer to flatten that side out after I put the wax stick on the hair. And as you guys can see, my coil is ready, my hair is ready, it's giving what it's supposed to give. And I'm not going to be loosening these coils because I just want it like this until I am ready to use this hair. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did shooting this video for you. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends that you know will be interested in this video. And again, I am so sorry guys for the background of this video. I thought I would be able to edit this video by removing the background and putting a more pleasing background, but it didn't work out. I couldn't. Every app that I tried to use to get rid of this background did not work. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now, besties. Mwah.